You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice.
Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV, and today we will be doing a hair hack. Anybody can do this hack, and when you see how I do it and how easy it is, then you can switch it up any way you want to switch it up. Now we're taking some T-pins here, and you're going to see the importance of the T-pins, okay? And we are going to stick it in the mannequin head like this. Alright, I am using invisible thread. I got this thread from Walmart. So what we are going to do is take the thread and we are going to hook it in front of the T-pins. And we are going to wrap each end around the thread. Okay, so this is some synthetic hair. It's not really long. Like I said before, once you see how I do this quick and easy style, you can switch it up any type of way you like. So I am just going to use a little bit of hair. That's all, just a little bit of hair. Once I get the hair, I am going to feed it underneath the thread. I'm holding the thread up right here, and we're going to go underneath the thread. And then we're going to hook it around the T-pin. Now here, I am just going to make a braid, but I am going to make this braid very, very tight. You do not want a thick end on the front of your braid. Now, if you want your braid to be thicker, then I would feed hair into this braid as I braid down. But right now, this size braid is really good for me. So I'm almost done braiding this braid, and we are going to braid it all the way down, and at the end it should look like this, okay? I like doing the braid this way because I know that that invisible thread is through the beginning of that small braid. So what I am going to do is I am going to repeat the process. I am feeding the hair underneath the invisible thread right here. You want to make sure that you secure the end of that thread. And here it is right here. So now we need another T-pin because that is going to allow us to make the braid not only small at the tip, but hold it in place as we braid it down. Now since we are starting this braid, make sure the braid is started tight in the beginning, all right? Now y'all, I will be bringing you new videos every week. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video. I have other ideas that I know that you are going to love. So right here, I am just braiding that braid all the way down, and I'm going to make sure that I keep this braid nice and tight. You do not want your braid to be loose. All right, here I am just cleaning up any loose hairs that I did not catch in the braid and also closing it up on the end. All right, so I'm only going to do 3 braids today. So this is what it should look like towards the end. It's up to you how many braids you do, but today we are only doing 3. When you take the T-pin out, the clear thread will be through the braid. So be careful not to snatch out the thread through the braid. Guys, if you are enjoying this video, do not forget to thumbs up this video. All right, this is what the hair is looking like on the thread. So now we have to make sure that this thread that I'm showing you right here do not come out of the braids. So I am going to show you a way to keep the thread in the braids. Get a bobby pin or a hairpin, and what you are going to do is just wrap that end of that thread around that bobby pin or hairpin, and then you'll know that it will not come out of the braids. right? You see that? That's what it should look like. All right, now let's get to styling this hair. Right now, I am just placing it where I want it to be. As you see, the thread is disappearing. My hair looked like this in the beginning, and I really do like this hairstyle. I have showed you all how to do this hairstyle before, so I just wanted to dress it up. Black History Month is coming up, so I have an event to go to, y'all. So we are going to be dressing our hair up for Black History Month. So we are going to place the braids wherever we want. It could be in the middle, the side, wherever you want it. And these pins is going to go in whatever existing hairstyle you got going on. So I am just going to put mine through my ponytail. All right, there we are. So now you can get to styling. And as you see, the thread disappeared on our hair. So the first thing I am going to do is take the braid through the middle. Then I am going to get a bobby pin. This is a hairpin, and I am just going to stick it through or around the braid, and then you can tuck the braid anywhere you want in your style. All right, you see how I can move these braids around? So wherever I want to put these braids to style my hair, I can. I can even put a roller on these braids and make these braids curly cues. But now, let's just be creative. Let's be creative. So what I am going to do is figure out how I want it styled. Now that you have your hair in place, what you're going to do is stabilize it. There's a lot of different ways you can stabilize your braids on your hair, but I decided to take some hair glue, and I am going to place the hair glue in different spots underneath the braid. You do not want to get it on top like that. Don't do that, guys, because you don't want that glue to show. So clean it up if you touch the top. Now, since my braids are skinny, I am just going to tack it down in different spots behind the braid. I'm not going to do the whole braid. It depends on the size of braid that you use and your style, but I'm only going to tack this down just to see how I am going to place the braid. Well, guys, if you are liking this idea, do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share, and thumbs up this video. Well, guys, this is it. It was very easy to do. Come on back and see the different variations that I do. You have reached Regina TV. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Go over there and visit my other channel, Regina's Way, where I do hacks and save you money. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll see you in the next one.
It's beautiful.